Hi my lovely friends, welcome to the Boo Boo Beauty world. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple skin scrub using only oatmeal and honey. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to add is 1/4 cup of raw honey. The enzyme activity in honey enables it to penetrate deeply into the skin and bring hydration to the underlying layers, resulting in plumper, softer skin with a natural, radiant glow. Put the honey into a separate mixing bowl and set it aside. Next, add 1/2 cup of finely chopped oatmeal. Oatmeal moisturizes, protects, exfoliates, and cleanses your skin. It also helps boost collagen production, improves your skin complexion, and reduces skin inflammation. Next, put your oatmeal in the food processor to chop it up. Use the low setting and let it run for about 1 to 2 minutes. It should look like this when you're done. Then you will put the processed oatmeal into your honey and then mix it up with a spatula. When the scrub is ready, it will look something like this. And when you're done, store it in a container and you can go ahead and leave it at room temperature. Now it is time to test it out. Let's do some scrubbing on my skin. Then rub it on your skin for a while until it feels exfoliated. Then you will wash it off. Your skin will look a little bit flushed afterwards, but it will go away soon. It will leave your skin soft and smooth. Just a quick shout out if you're loving the content and want to help keep the coffee flowing, because let's be honest, caffeine is the secret sauce of every YouTuber's creativity. You can show some love by treating me to a coffee via the Buy Me Coffee link down in the description box. Your support means a lot to me and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. Guess what? I'll be giving a mega shout out to my caffeine-powered superheroes at the end of my next video, so do not miss it. Stay radiant, my friends, and I can't wait to catch you in the next one. Bye for now, and big virtual hugs to you all.